Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Card Kit of the Month video. In order for me to send you this card kit right to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is enter this host code when you're shopping with me. It's that easy. There's more information about this card kit and my loyalty rewards at my blog, sunstampin.com. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that each active member of my team also receives card kits of the month for just being on the team. So if you're a customer of mine and think you may miss out on this customer perk by signing up for the starter kit, don't worry. Actually, team members get treated like VIPs by me and get quite a few additional perks. If you've been thinking about joining up for the best deal Stampin' Up can offer, like a continuing 20% discount, purchasing products before they're released to the public, and access to a whole lot of free inspiration, please consider joining my team. I will leave a link in the description box below. Hello friends, welcome to another card kit of the month video. This card kit is for the month of May in the year 2023. In case you're new here, this is my card kit. It has a sticker on the front, which gives you a location to find this video. Also, it includes the month's date so that you don't have to search through all the videos in order to find this particular card kit design. So it comes with all the bits and bobs to create 2 cards. There's also 2 envelopes included. And this is just for shopping with me, so thank you very much. All right, so I'm using a stamp set called Irresistible Blooms. Of course, you can use whatever stamp set you would like, but if you would like to purchase this particular stamp set and craft along with me with this card design, you can certainly purchase the products through me to get this online class. There are 8 projects, so this is a mega online class. And there are 3 ways that you can enjoy this class. You can get option 1, which has the bundle, or you can get option number 2, which doesn't have the bundle, or you can get option number 3, which is just the written PDF. And either one you choose, I would be happy to craft along with you. All right, I have 2 inks here. One is called Boho Blue. It's still a little too dark for the look I was going for, so I'm stamping off and then stamping on that scalloped oval, which is from a punch called the Double Oval Punch. This is Night of Navy ink. It is a beautiful neutral. And I am inking up the sentiment hello. And I'm just doing both punches or both sentiments straight away. So I'm pushing those off to the side to dry while I clean my area. And I'm going to adhere this beautiful designer series paper, or if you're new here and don't know what that is, this is pattern paper. The size of this pattern paper is 3 by 3, and I am adhering it with Seal Plus, and I'm adhering it to a piece of basic white card, which is 3 1/4 inches wide and 4 1/2 inches tall. So that pattern paper is 3 by 3, and then there's a little pattern paper strip that comes along with it, and that is 3 by 1 1/2 inches. And I adhered them together, and then this little ribbon, which gets trimmed to about 4 inches long, I just put my adhesive on it, and now I'm just going to trim off the excess. Can't remember at the top of my head what this is called. Hang on, I will look whilst, I never know how to read these things. And it's all in every language I don't know. Night of Navy is what it's called. And then here comes the cat, because they can hear exactly what you're doing when you're trying. Oh, this is linen. 3/8 bordered ribbon. How's that? All of that. Anyway, so you saw what I did there. I put dimensionals on the back, and then I'm just putting that off to the side, and I'll do the sentiments in a minute. So again, the pattern paper is 3x3. I'm adhering it with my favorite adhesive, which is Seal Plus. You just need these little dots. Actually, that's probably too much, but that adhesive is very strong. It's just that a lot of people have a love-hate relationship because it doesn't, sometimes it's a bit cranky as it gets out of the dispenser. The dispenser sometimes argues with it or me or what have you. So again, here's this little strip of just, it's the same paper. It's just off to the, it's just a different colorway. And again, this is Countryside Inn. This is a new pattern paper out of the brand new annual catalog. Annual catalog is amazing. And this boho blue is a new color to us. So it's an in color. And actually, I have a in color club going on right now where I can, I get a, you involved with doing a club, which is kind of fun. There's going to be, I'll put some information at the back at the end of this video in case you're interested, and I'll showcase some of the beautiful new in colors. And here is this is a Night of Navy cardstock, and I am putting this again on dimensionals. And then basically all I have to do is put these little sentiment pieces over top of that ribbon. And here easily 2 cards were made. So again, thank you so much for watching. I will have everything in the description box below in case you're interested, or if you're on my blog, you'll find it in a fast link somewhere. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing and doing all the YouTubey things, liking and all of that. I appreciate you so much. Bye for now.